Assalamualaikum. Today, I would like to present about movement of food coloring in different type of medium. First of all, our first medium is water, and this is sanitizer, and this is jelly. We would like to know the time taken for the food coloring to travel in different medium. So this is our food coloring. We will drop one drop. We will calculate the time for the food coloring to travel in this medium. As we can see, the food coloring is traveling now in this medium. And we will stop the time taken after all the food coloring move in this medium. And then we will move to the second medium. It is sanitizer. Also one drop of food coloring. We will start the time taken. As you can see here, it start to moving now. And we will stop after a few minutes. This is our sanitizer. After 2 minutes, we can see that it is slowly moving, and it will fully cover the surface of hand sanitizer. So we will wait for another few minutes. As you can see here, the food coloring start to fully cover our second medium, and our time taken right now is around 5 minutes. And now for the last medium, it is jelly. As usual, one drop of food coloring, and we will see the food coloring is starting to move to cover all the surface of the jelly. We will wait for a few minutes for the food coloring to transfer in this medium. So as we can see here, after 10 minutes, the jelly is starting to become solid. So the food coloring is not moving at all due to the particle of solid is too compact. So there is no gap between particles for the food dye to transfer in this medium.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, for this experiment, we will use the larger radius, which is bigger than the previous. Okay, the medium is still the same, which is water, sanitizer, and jelly. Okay, for the first experiment, we will use colored food dye into the water. Okay, one drop. Okay, the food dye already traveled across the medium, and we will wait until it fully covered the radius. Okay, after more than 2 minutes, the coloring dye already full radius, so we gonna start doing experiment at the sanitizer. Okay, the next experiment, we will drop the food coloring into the sanitizer. One drop. Careful. Okay, and we will wait until the food dye travel across the medium. Okay, after around 10 minutes, we can see that the food coloring slowly moves around the medium, which is sanitizer, and we think that yep, we're gonna stay a while, so we're gonna move into experiment 3, which is for jelly. Put aside. Okay, first 1 drop of food coloring, slowly. And yep, that's how it moves. Nothing much, but still moving. Okay, we're gonna wait until forever. Okay, after about like 10 minutes and there is no movement whatsoever for the food coloring and the jelly already solidified, so I think that the experiment is done. Okay, that's all. After this we gonna conclude what happened in the experiment. Okay, thank you.
From the conclusion, the fastest of the time taken for the media for food dye is water, and the lowest is the jelly media. Okay, I think this is due to different particle size, different concentration, and different density.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I would like to conclude about what my friends have been done for the experiment. So as we can see, as the video of the experiment has been shown earlier, so I would like to conclude that water is the fastest among the 3 medium during the mass transport. So and the slowest for the mass transport is jelly, because it doesn't move at all and the jelly becomes hardened. So in conclusion, for these 2 experiments, I would like to conclude that the smaller the radius, the faster the rate of mass transfer for the food dye to transfer in the medium. So that's all for me. Thank you.